Hey, what's up, y'all? Classic Kev, back with another episode. Y'all, honestly, it's probably the most important episode yet, because on today's episode, guys, Mark Cuban thinks I'm a dumbass for some of my crypto investments. I'm serious, guys, so you're definitely going to want to stay to the end of this video, because I got all the top crypto news stories of the day. You're definitely not going to want to miss how Mark Cuban thinks some of my crypto investments are the dumbest shit ever. As always, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Guys, I live in my mom's garage. So let's go ahead. Let's just get straight into it, guys. So we're looking at the markets, guys. Bitcoin down about 4% on the day. Ethereum down about 5%. So we lost the gains we made yesterday. So the markets are still trading sideways. Solana's down, Polygon Matic's down. Basically, the whole market's down a little bit. And, you know, we kind of predicted that on this channel, guys, that we're going to be kind of trading sideways. So if you're wondering, again, what are the catalysts, you know, to propel us either, you know, bullish or bearish, the catalyst of this. Guys, tomorrow we got the CPI data numbers coming out. If inflation stays the same or goes down, we could see the markets, crypto and stocks respond positively. But guys, if the CPI data numbers come out and inflation's higher, then we could see these markets mega tank. So as always, guys, not financial advice. I'm just giving you the catalyst. I don't think anyone really knows what's going to happen. Now, also other catalysts, guys, we got the Ethereum merge coming up. Very exciting. Again, that could get pushed back. Or, you know, who knows? They might have some technical problems and the merge, you know, not happen successfully and have a bunch of problems. So, you know, that's a big catalyst. If the merge is successful, we could see Ethereum soar. Also, too, guys, we've got the midterm elections coming up in November. So a lot of huge catalysts, as well as presidential elections in 2024, the Bitcoin halving cycle. So we got a bumpy ride ahead of us. I'm just being honest with y'all, but we should see some positive, you know, if any of these catalysts are positive, we could see positive price momentum, and that's when your boy will probably be taking some profits. So let's go ahead. Let's get into the top news of the day, guys. Definitely want to talk about this. Check out this story, guys. As Metaverse lands prices plummet, Mark Cuban says buying digital land is the dumbest shit ever. And then also, too, guys, check out this article. Dogecoin has more potential applications than Cardano. The billionaire investor shared his view on Cardano's lack of adoption, market caps, and Dogecoin on a recent podcast. So that's right, guys. So Mark Cuban was on the Altcoin Daily podcast, and, you know, he talked about, you know, Metaverse real estate being, you know, not a smart investment right now because it's so speculative. And, you know, he talked about, you know, there's better investments such as, you know, it's not even the same as buying an ENS name and service domain or buying a domain name. So guys, I invest. So not only do I invest in Cardano, not only do I invest in Metaverse real estate, I invest in Metaverse real estate on Cardano. So Mark Cuban must really think I'm dumb. Now, what I found humorous about the whole thing is, guys, Mark Cuban's an investor in Yuga Labs. So Yuga Labs created the other side Metaverse, which raised like over $300 million. So, you know, and he mentions that in this article, guys, but I thought it was comical, guys. You know, I can't, you know, only time will tell which one of us is right. As always, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. Now, normally Mark Cuban and I agree on a lot of stuff when it comes to crypto. You know, he's very bullish on Bitcoin. He's I believe he's an Ethereum whale. He's very bullish on Ethereum. You know, again, he's investing in Yuga Labs. So I guess this is just a situation. Time will tell which one of us is right. But I gotta say, I firmly disagree with his thoughts on Dogecoin. I think that, you know, his criticism of Cardano really everything he said bad about Cardano, I could say about Dogecoin. You know, I thought that criticism really, you know, fit Dogecoin more than it did Cardano. But what we seem to see is that Cardano not being popular amongst, you know, Mark Cuban type people, you know, Wall Street type people, venture capitalist type people, hedge fund type people, that Cardano just not being appreciated, you know, and guys, look, I don't know everything, you know, I don't know, you know, there's a lot of people to call Charles Hoskinson a grifter. You know, I look at it like the man's, you know, speaking like to Congress about blockchain and this stuff. So I think something's there. I don't think that Cardano's going away. Cardano's been here since, what, like 2017? So if it's been around this long, been through this many bear markets, I believe in what the team's doing. And, you know, I've used, you know, obviously we buy NFTs on Cardano. I'm buying Metaverse real estate on Cardano. I just see too much being built, so I got to 100% disagree with Mark Cuban. But I'll say this. Check out this article. Metaverse housing bubble burst and virtual land prices crash 85% amid waning interest. So yeah, guys. So, and I've talked about this. I look at Metaverse real estate almost identical to the way I look at real life real estate. You're going to see crashes. We're early on. We're in the infancy of this technology, and, it's the equivalent of like when you buy Metaverse real estate, you don't know if you're buying swampland in Florida or if you're buying land in Manhattan. That's the risk reward. But I do feel that if we invest in the right Metaverse real estates, you could 100% see, 500x gains, in the next 10 years if you invest in the right Metaverse real estate projects. I mean, we really are that early. But again, guys, Metaverse real estate probably being the most speculative of speculative assets in all of crypto. So that's the warning. So, invest at your own risk, guys. As always, this is not financial advice. All right, so let's go to the next article, guys. FTX bringing crypto swaps to Reddit. The front page of the internet, that's what Reddit is deemed as, enlisted FTX and Arbitrum to launch its tokens on the Ethereum mainnet. Users can move Reddit's community points to Arbitrum-built Ethereum wallets and pay gas fees with FTX Pay. So yeah, guys, so, another huge partnership, FTX getting stuff done, partnering with Reddit. I mean, Reddit's used by like billions of people. So they'll be able to transact cryptocurrencies. I believe they do some type of karma system. So they'll be able to get points, and it'll all be on a blockchain. So I believe users maybe will get paid, if they make quality posts. So definitely something we're going to want to keep an eye on, but just another sign of more mainstream adoption. Next article, guys, Ethereum getting cheaper to use even before the merge. Ethereum fees are the lowest level in 2 years. This has happened ahead of the much anticipated event known as the merge, which is widely seen to be driving up the price of the cryptocurrency Ether. So that's important, guys. If we can, the one thing, all analysts are saying holding Ethereum back is the gas fees. So if they're able to not only get the gas fees down before the merge, we're hoping that maybe, after the merge, it creates the infrastructure ability for them to lower them even further, because essentially, the proof of stake, the proof of stake mechanism is going to be more energy efficient. So if it's going to be more energy efficient, it should be cheaper to use, to transact on. I think. Again, guys, I'm no blockchain developer. So this is what I'm just, kind of betting on with my Ethereum investment. Check out this next article, guys. Bitcoin mining now uses 10.9% more renewables, goes unreported. Since the China ban, the Bitcoin Mining Council reports a significant rise of the use of renewable energies. That's right, guys. So, China banned Bitcoin mining, and Bitcoin, the use of renewable energy to mine Bitcoin went up 10%. This is important to note, guys, because one of the reasons Elon Musk said that they, got rid of their Bitcoin holdings is because they were concerned about the environmental, the ESG regulation, the environmental concerns, and, Elon said they'd be comfortable adding Bitcoin to Tesla's balance sheet again when it reaches some level of more renewable, a percentage of the mining is done with renewable energy. So I'd imagine we're getting close to that number because, as we've stated on this channel, that Bitcoin mining is going to revolutionize green energy, not just crypto mining, but it's going to revolutionize the way we harvest green energy. So super, super bullish news, guys. Again, just another one of those stories that just kind of went under the radar. Check out this story, guys. MicroStrategy has outperformed 97% of S&P 500 stocks since adopting the Bitcoin strategy in 2020. Guys, this will not go unnoticed. I can guarantee you every company in the S&P 500 right now, is probably in talks about their Bitcoin strategy. Are they going to add it to their balance sheet? How much are they going to add? What avenue are they going to use to on-ramp the Bitcoin to it? Those talks are going on right now. I'm not saying that every company is going to add Bitcoin to its balance sheet, but ask yourself a logical question. If this strategy is successful for MicroStrategies, do you think you will see other companies in the S&P 500 adopt the same strategy? Of course. You know why? Because companies in S&P 500 have to report to shareholders. Shareholders want alpha. So it's just common sense. It's common sense at this point that, Bitcoin, having some exposure to Bitcoin makes sense. Next story, guys, and this is another one that went under the radar. Iran makes the first ever import of goods using cryptocurrency worth millions. So that's right, guys. So, that's kind of the main thing crypto is used for, is that, having this instantaneous settlement and being able to transact, send millions of dollars instantaneously, safely, and securely. So it's going to be the future way that we transact for, whether it be oil, commodities, what you name it. You name it. I mean, this is kind of the beta stage, and we're seeing more and more countries do this. And as the technology gets more advanced, safer, and the scalability goes up, we're going to see a lot more stories like this. Super, super bullish news. And the last news, guys, again, guys, not financial advice. It's JP Morgan said. JP Morgan claims crypto market has found a floor. So, we obviously, in this article, guys, they talk about it appears the crypto markets have found a floor despite trading volume still being depressed. What has helped, we think, has been more limited new contagion from the collapse at Terra Luna. So, so you guys all know the craziness that happened with the 3 Hours Capital, Terra Luna situation. Really, really was kind of like a mini Black Swan event. It seems we have recovered. So hopefully we have found max pain. I'm not 100% sure of that. Again, guys, I've gone over the catalyst that we're still waiting on. But hey, JP Morgan says it. So, who you going to believe? Anyway, y'all, I'm Classic Kev. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, I don't know, drop me a 100 emoji in the comments. Anyway, y'all, I'm out. Peace.